The U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan says the White House will review the peace agreement reached with the Afghan Taliban last year. He stated this in a telephonic conversation with his Afghan counterpart Hamdullah Mohib. Sullivan said the review would assess whether the Taliban are living up to their commitment to cut ties with the terrorist group and engage in the meaningful negotiation with the Afghan government and other stakeholders. He said the United States will support the peace process with a robust and regional diplomatic effort.